How to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then simply search for Snapchat account portal and then open it. Once you are in this interface, what you will have to do is simply log into your account. Once it is already logged in, go to delete my account. Now, all you have to do is enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password and then tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted if there are no security restrictions. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.